Hi guys, welcome y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Now, this will be day two of my challenge of 75 days of Benable, right? And creating a list. Right here, I am just creating another list that is centered around, I believe, travel. Yes, this one's for travel. The original audio that I had just completely didn't record the way I wanted it to, so I'm re-recording everything right now, and just doing a quick overview and reorganizing some things on my Notions list. And for the rest of it, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I set it up and how I am using Amazon to help me. Right now, please keep in mind that by November 1st, the commissions, I believe that's what it's called, that you would normally get when you have referrals from different people who use your own personal code after you use my invite code, you won't be getting those bonuses like you normally would. That is something that's going to be going away, and that's what I'm showing you guys here. Keep in mind, you can always share, save, and follow for more updates. And when you use my code, that's a code that you can then turn around, make a profit from. And when you have your own code, you can also send out that code to others and just have them enter whatever list that they want to create. And that way you can get a commission from them also. So this is going to be an exciting ride. I know it is. I am so excited and I'm happy that I found something that I can do every once in a while. Even if it's something that I'm not sure that's going to be like a whole bunch of return, I just know when it comes to affiliate links, people do go out of their way to click on things that they find favorable, and I do get some kickback. The percentage rate for Amazon Associates is not the greatest, so I'm hoping here with Benable, the more I use my associates links, whether it's with Walmart or Target, in this case, Amazon Associate, the more I put it out there, the more that there is a possibility I will be able to get kickback from multiple different sources until I actually create my blog. So once I create my blog, guys, hopefully in November, fingers crossed, I'm going to have the blog and I will have a bunch of these tutorials and just a bunch of different affiliates that I've already signed up to and tried out. And I can just have you guys see it and recognize it. So that'd be really cool for you guys to see. Yeah, so enjoy. Benable is a fantastic platform that allows you to create those shareable lists. And you can also go ahead and turn around and recommend them to other people. So you can do a lot of different things. In this case, I'm doing travel items, but you can do your favorite books, fashion trends, even life hacks I've seen so far. And that's the good thing about it too. You can research other people's lists, see what they've already put out there, see if it relates to their niche or not. And in some cases, like with Pinterest, I notice it's people who just have downtime and they're just like creating these Pinterest boards, which they then turn around and use it as inspiration for a Benable list. So remember that. In order for you to not be on the wait list, you guys can definitely go ahead and use my code to it's invite code, right? So you can use that code to sign up and get in and start creating your list right away, as opposed to having to get on their waiting list. Oh yeah, yeah. They have a waiting list. I don't even know how long the waiting list is, but I've been told that it takes people a while to get off that wait list. You guys can just avoid it altogether and use the invite code. Okay, it's 53BD5. So 53 boy dog 5. Okay. I also will have a link in the bio. With all that said, I'm just gonna have you guys enjoy looking at my list. I don't think there's anything else that I might have missed. I think I pretty much just started doing things one at a time, creating a note, finding out if there's anything that I could possibly use as a travel item, even though it might be multi-purpose, like a book bag or something like that, or shoes. I was really trying to find distinctive things that are travel items, and I didn't think it was going to be an issue because I have travel items here at my home. But I didn't realize how much things I don't have that is really not 33 items. And there were a lot of things I forgot to, as in like a travel plug for when you're going on certain international trips where they don't have the US standard plug, right? So that was something that I was like, oh, okay. Well, I forgot it. I've already hit my 33 items. I'll put that for Jenna say, oh, maybe I'll just make that something, an additional item for a list on. I'm trying to think. Like a living room or a bedroom or a move-in type of list. You got your first apartment. You're gonna need extension cords. You might need this charger because you're not going to have certain things set up in your apartment just yet, or you might be in a route going back and forth for work and you can't take off. Something like that. I don't know. Still brainstorming. Or maybe I'll just make like a travel list to St. Croix because I've been there before, right? That's an item that I might just add on there just to add on. Who knows? I might actually do more than a 33, but I feel like it's so hard for me to have 33 items already. And now I have to create lists with 33 items, right? Record it for you guys, but screen recording while I'm speaking essentially is supposed to be easier, but now we see I'm re-recording this at like as we speak, right? So but that's already hard enough like thinking about like 33 items and doing the research on that because when I record this for you guys only get to see 15 minutes of what takes me an hour, maybe an hour and a half because like I just have these moments of brain fart and I have other things that I'm doing too, so I might just get distracted and walk away, especially when I'm already kind of like brain fatigue, if that's even a thing. I'm just overthinking stuff, and then I realize I miss things. So yeah, another thing too I forgot to add was like a luggage scale, um, that like transporter thing or transformer, whatever that's called. Like it's a really big, huge type of like portable charger. It would be nice to give you guys a description, but here we are. I have no pictures, no description. I think I was able to find headphones. I was able to find headphones. Those headphones. I already have another list with a camera. I'm not sure if I put a camera in there as well. But yeah, even looking at these items on the screen that I am researching to add to the list, it after a certain point, it was like so frustrating. Just remember having to add different things and try out different things and just say, hey, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So please enjoy, guys. This was something that took me a while, and I'm so happy I got through it. Now I have another list I need to create. Um, and honestly, I've already started creating lists without recording for you guys, like when I'm at work, because I can't use my work computer for that. um, I will try to use my tablet instead of my phone to create the list, seeing how I'm out and about. I would just have to learn how to pretty much split the screen so you guys can see. Hey, on this side is my Notion list. This is where I'm getting my ideas from. On this other side, is where I'm actually putting in the links or the description of the item, and I am just entering it in the way I normally would, which is all on a tablet. So I feel like it's going to be a lot slower. My phone, I was moving a lot faster. I was just going in between the screens, like you know how you can like I know iPhones does this too, where you can just like slide up, or for us for Androids, you can click the home button. I think that's what it's called, and just click and go between screen to screen. So it was a lot easier for me to be like, oh, okay, what's in the Notion? Let me click off that Halloween costume idea for a list, and now go over to Google on my Amazon and search for Halloween costumes for adults, women, men, kids, and I was just flipping back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So I don't know if that's even interesting for you guys to see it on the tablet compared to a phone. I will consider it. But yeah, you guys just gonna see me went through a whole bunch of good stuff. Feel free to comment below any list that you guys think that I would be good at creating. Let me know what you guys think, okay? All right. And until next time. Ciao.